introduce you to our head mistress, and this is Joycelyn Thompson. Joycelyn is our head mistress here. We have head mistresses and headmasters versus principals. They're basically the same thing. The Akoma Academy, as I said, was built by, we call her Big Mama. Okay, every family got Big Mama. She was truly our Big Mama. And when the school was built, people asked her, why would you come way here to build a school? Why not build it someplace closer like Cape Coast? And her response was, the children in this area needed to have a school. So why would I build a school where there are already 20 or more schools? This school was built primarily for rural farmers' children. One correction I'd like to make, we now have 142 students in this school, ranging from, right now they're going from kindergarten to 6. We generally go from kindergarten to 9. We also have 15 students who are now boarding. One of the biggest issues that we have at this school is our lack of transportation. All of our children must be transported by bus. We go into the villages and we bring the children here. Unfortunately, we don't have a bus. That thing that's outside, which serves as our transportation, has officially died. Okay? We were holding it together, hoping that in the meantime while we searched for a bus, this would work. But one day we were transporting the children and the door fell off the bus and the bus wound up in a ditch. So we now transport children in taxis, or we can rent a bus. We had rented a bus temporarily. That kind of keeps our attendance a little bit low. Okay. As you'll notice, the children have a performance for you, and then after they finish their presentation, then we're going to take a tour of the school. I don't know if you have visited any other schools, but one of the things that you'll notice about this school is it is open, airy, and bright. We don't have 45 students to a class. In some classes, we may have only 6 or 8 students. The students don't sit crowded up at desks, they sit at tables where they can interact one to another. All of the land that you see there is part of the school. As you see, we're growing corn. We have some other things that are growing out there. We have a large playground. As you'll also notice, one of the things that our school also needs is good playground equipment. But in spite of that, our children still do well. Okay? So I want you to sit back, enjoy yourself. I offer an apology from the director who said, unfortunately, because this man did not tell us exactly when he was going to be here, she was unable to be here. They have a spelling bee at the University of Cape Coast that she had to attend. But she said she would make every effort to come and visit you before you leave this area. Okay. Does anybody have any questions? So I'm going to turn you over to Joycelyn. You'll be in very good hands, and I'm going to call you the lunch.
Please, you are all welcome to. You are all welcome to IMC Akoma International Academy. You are welcome to Ghana. And we have some performances for you. We are now going to dance and a cover song which is welcome to Ghana and Africa. And apart from this one, we have other performances for the children who are going to perform for you.